Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft Excel to N8N and how you can use your spreadsheets in the automated workflows. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Excel workbook is stored either in OneDrive or SharePoint because N8N's Microsoft Excel 365 integration works with Microsoft's cloud-based Excel files. So once you have it, you just have to simply come here on N8N. Then you just have to simply click on the plus icon and click on the option of new workflow. Now over here, you need to simply add the first step. So simply just click on it. Now over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Microsoft Excel. You can also directly search for the option of Excel here. Now when you are able to find Microsoft Excel in this list, you just have to simply select the option of either OneDrive or SharePoint wherever that particular workbook is available. So after clicking on it, you just have to simply just select the Excel node. So over here under the credentials, you need to simply click on the option of create new credential and then choose the available Microsoft authentication option. You need to also sign in into your Microsoft account and authorize N8N to access your Excel data. Now once the credential is connected, you need to simply just choose the operations option, and there you just have to simply wait for it. And the Excel node supports actions such as getting the workbooks and worksheets, retrieving the table rows, adding the rows to a table, and updating the rows, and even appending the data. So you need to simply then choose the workbook and select the relevant sheet in the table. You can also map the incoming workflow data to the corresponding Excel column. Afterwards, you just have to wait for some time and it is going to be basically connected here. Now if you're facing any kind of problem, you can just simply come here on AI assistant as well, because these days you can just give it a prompt and it is going to do the work for you. So you can ask it something like connect to Microsoft Excel, and then you just have to simply hit enter. So once this is done, it is going to automatically create the automations for you. It will take some time, so you just have to give it some time, and then you can follow further instructions in order to connect your Microsoft Excel to N8N. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.